Hi, I'm Jen, and currently I'm a freelancer. I give Notion 5 stars plus. And for more reviews like this, click below. I cannot gush enough about Notion. When I first started using it, I thought it was kind of like clunky and stuff like that. But I spent like an extra 5 minutes with it and was like, wait a minute, I can do literally everything with this. So I do my income, my outgo. I even track my personal life. I do. It's the first thing that I open in the morning before I do anything else. Inventory, projects, everything. How malleable it is. I can use Notion, as I said before, for anything. Anytime I have an idea, I'm like, oh, I wish that, wait a minute, I have Notion. What am I? So it literally, I use it for everything. It's my database, it's my daily tracker, it's my checklist, it's my shopping list, everything. I can't really think of much that I would change. When using it on my phone, it is a little bit slow, but I also do understand that that's because it's such a large program, such a large app, and sometimes, yeah, I can't really think of anything. I'm a fan.